So you're ready to start writing your screenplay, actually writing scenes. This means you have to face the blank page, which has its own challenges. So the first thing you want to do is just develop your discipline of sitting down every day. I call this the glue your butt to the chair method of writing. So you decide an amount of time that you want to spend writing each day. Be easy on yourself. 15 minutes is fine for like your first week. Maybe half an hour if you're ambitious. Ultimately, you don't want to work for more than an hour and a half at any time, because studies have shown that after an hour and a half, the brain needs a break. You want to listen to music for 10 minutes or something. Eventually, you'll work your way up to 2 or 3 1.5 hour writing sessions each day. That would be a very good professional level discipline. But initially, I recommend you start with 15 minutes. Monday through Friday, 15 minutes. Just do that. Just make that your goal. That's enough. 2 very important points about these 15 minutes that you're going to spend. One is you do it every day, and the second is that you do not require yourself to write anything during that time. No writing needed. The first discipline is to just get yourself to sit, to glue your butt to the chair. You remove all distractions, internet, books, magazines, radio, TV, whatever's around. Turn them all off. It's just you and your computer screen or your pad of paper, however you prefer to work. You are not required to write. You are required to sit there. So you sit there and you see what happens. If something should happen, if perhaps in those 15 minutes, you get a little idea coming up, and next thing you know, your fingers are on the keyboard and they're writing something, and you're like, how did that happen? I was just sitting here. I like to tell my students, it's true. I can't guarantee that if you sit down every day, you will someday come out with a brilliant, successful screenplay. But I can guarantee that if you don't sit down every day, you will never come out with a brilliant, successful screenplay. But there's more to getting through your first draft than just sitting down. And that will be the subject of my next video. You can click here to watch the next video if it's already been posted. If it hasn't, be sure to click here to subscribe so you can be notified when it is.